Greetings, Sean here at Mahalo Apps with a review of how to cook everything for the iPad. And if you like this video, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe below. The How to Cook Everything app comes from the book How to Cook Everything by Mark Bittman. This is a great app with a nice layout. The home screen starts with weekly featured recipes and a tip from Mark. The menu on the left contains browse recipes, kitchen basics, Bittman's top picks, most popular recipes, quick meals, and a how-to section and search. The Browse Recipes section has subcategories for each type of food, like sauces and then different types of sauces. The Kitchen Basics tab goes over some cooking best practices, which is kinda nice, specifically for someone who can't cook, and there are attached illustrations that help. Back at the home menu, there are Bittman's Picks, Popular, and Quick Dinners. These are all pretty much the same, just subcategorized. One of my favorite parts of this app is the search function, because you can search for recipes based off of name, key ingredients, cooking techniques, flavors, and recipe type. This is great if I want to look up a recipe that has cheese in the title. Just search cheese. Also, if I only have a few ingredients, I can just search for recipes that call for those ingredients, which is a very helpful tool when seeing what I can make. For instance, well, we only have chicken and rice. What can we make? You can also search recipes by cooking techniques. Like if you wanted to grill something but needed a recipe, then here it is for you. The ability to search for food by flavor is a nice feature, like if you were in the mood for Italian or Asian food. The last function of the feature is the ability to search for recipes that are fast, need to make ahead, vegetarian, and essential recipes. These all add up to some pretty handy features. The question is, should I buy this app? It is a great source to learn how to cook and cheaper than the hardback version, complete with over 2,000 recipes. I say, if you have an iPad and any inclination for learning new recipes, download this app. The only thing I have to say is, this app is lacking video. This app doesn't have any video. Although the illustrations are nice, and they're also well done, it's still not the same as video. And the iPad is an HD platform. Essentially, you're getting a well done, interactive, digital version of the $35 hardback book for only $9.99. All in all, I give How to Cook Everything on the iPad a 4.5 out of 5.